Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with another diamond painting unboxing for you. Bibi's with me here too. She's laying on her favorite blanket. Bibi, wanna come here? I think the puppies are going stir crazy. They don't get to go outside as much when it's this cold. We normally take them fishing on the weekends, which gets them and me outside. Oh, another little free gift. Is that everything? Yep, that's everything. I want to say this is another Huacan. I don't know, maybe not. Here's a toolkit. It's a white boat, pink wax. It's a clear, oh yeah, it's one of the sparkly clear pens with a single tip and a 3-tip. And there's a 6-tip, extra 6-tip interchangeable in there, along with some tweezers. I got a lovely little gift. It's a little red bracelet with a love charm on it. Definitely Huacan. Look at these drills. Are lovely. Oh, beautiful colors too. Look at those blues. They're in little baggies. Huh, maybe it's not a Huacan, it's a round. I don't know that they do round, but the tools and everything look like them. It is a beautiful winter scene. I'll put the picture up because it's very hard to see from those little thumbnails. Let's get this open and take a good look at the canvas. There's a lot of colors. There are 40 colors, and it's a 30 by 40 full drill round. Got a little hair on it. Oof, come on, open up. It's so hard when one hand is weak and the other is strong, because you think, well, I'll just pull it open, right? I stabbed my thumb. Huh. I'm all right. But that doesn't work when one hand is weak, because this one is strong, this one is weak. And if I try to hold it and pull it, I'll just pull it right out of my own hand. Very annoying, but you know, at least it works. I really did stab my thumb, but I can't, it's not even bleeding, so I'm just gonna stop whining like a little baby. Hi, Bibi. Bibi is watching me. Are you watching me stab my thumb, puppy? She is such a good dog. I just love her to death. She just wants to be near me and spend time with me. And that's all she wants. This is packaged very well. It did come in a bubble envelope. I try really hard not to be too critical because they have cost reasons why they do certain things. I understand that. But even the ones who use what you... I'm trying to think how to say this. Like, we all have our favorite things. Wrapped in a big tube around a big foam core would be the best, probably. But this was not a very expensive diamond painting. And it's, you can see it's really packaged well. It came out nice. They used a bubble envelope. They wrapped it around a foam core. Excellent tools. The drills look wonderful. The symbols are all very clear. Okay, now I'm confused. because by looking at this, I would say it's a Huacan. There's no inventory sheet. The drills are packed the same way. The tools are Huacan tools. They look like them. It's cut in strips, just the way a Huacan is. All right, here's the image. Beautiful little winter scene. Sorry, there we go. Even the symbols look like Huacan symbols, but it's not. This is another company. And Huacan doesn't do rounds. So maybe because of all the issues lately, they are getting into rounds and using a different company name. I don't know. This canvas feels very, it's not super stiff like some of them are. Really nice. Good quality image. A lot of colors. I mean, you don't normally see 40 colors in a 30 by 40 diamond painting. That's a lot. This is just beautiful. I've got the DMC code for everything. I have everything I need. This is just a beautiful little winter village. I'm very, very happy with this one. So, if you like my videos, take a second and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the little bell, you'll get notified. Oh, look at the sun glaring on my closet door. You'll get notified of my next video. Sorry, I interrupted myself. And thank you. Thank you for joining me. And thank you everyone for your nice comments and all the wonderful things you say. I really appreciate it. I'm having so much fun and I'm so happy to be able to share this fun with you. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. And you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.